Good morning, Tommy. Are you ready for breakfast? Are we ready for breakfast, guys? Enjoy your day. Oh, goodness, you got a sneeze? Good morning, Felicity. Good morning, Hallie. Good morning, Molly. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Harlow. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Atley. You gonna head in, Harlow? There's Dove being not nice. Harlow knows she can always eat next to Bridget. Breaking the hay up, Atley. You're supposed to eat your food, not play with it. What's into you this morning, Atley? Are you not hungry? Find the right piece. Good morning, Dwayne. I've been letting him outside of the cow pasture so he can hang out in the yard with his hens when they hop out to see him. Good morning, Bantams. Good morning, honey. Hey guys, coming out to get your coop clean? Let's get it cleaned up in here. Hey Felicia, your feathers are really starting to come back in on your head. You're starting to look good. Gonna be a pretty girl again real soon. I got it cleaned up for you, Nugget. Hey honey, just hanging out upstairs in your room today? Wanna be outside? The reason why Felicia's feathers are growing back is because over Christmas break we moved this guy in with the big chickens. Didn't really solve our problem of having too many chickens in the big coop, but it did solve Felicia having no feathers, and also Nugget, he was fighting a lot with Nugget. He has had to learn how to live with Reese again. That was a little bit rough, but I think they're starting to figure it out. We'll get it cleaned up in here now. We got it cleaned up for him. And we'll collect these eggs too. Hey Dwayne, did you come over to visit everyone? Come say hi. Hanging with the cats. Charlie, I think you have a cold. You keep sneezing. I did Google to see if cats get over colds, and it says they do. So we're gonna give him about a week, and then if he's still feeling yucky, we'll take him to the vet. Hallie, are you hanging out up on your house? Molly was just flipping her house, so I think she wants it flipped over. You want your house flipped over too? There you go. How are you doing, Felicity? Working on a hay cube? The rabbits see Luca bringing their enrichment. They followed her all around. Felicity's anxiously awaiting too. Molly's trying to steal from Hallie. Molly! Luca might have to go grab her. She's got her enrichment treat right over here. She found hers. And Felicity has hers. She's more interested in seeing if we are going to give her anything else before she'll eat hers. Go eat yours, sister. Luca's bringing Honey a treat. Or I guess an enrichment treat. And a flower stick. Honey really likes flower sticks. There you go, buddy. Maybe. Is that yummy? We're in here cleaning stalls, and Tommy's on the prowl. Pretty sure the mice live in the slats. And he thinks surely one of them's gonna make a mistake and come out and let him get him. And Charlie thinks if he sits here long enough, surely I'll refeed Dwayne. Cows are back here just hanging out. Ember's over here napping. Hey, sweet girl, how are you doing? You having a good day? It feels so good in the sunshine. Are you enjoying the sunshine today, Harlow? Hey, Dove, how are you doing? Hey, Bridget. Want a pet? All right. I don't have any treats. How's your day going, Atley? Having a good day? Bridget's getting her itches out. When we were out checking on the chickens, we noticed that this poor lady has a really bad case of Bumblefoot. So it's where they get a cut and then it gets infected. So we're gonna soak her in an Epsom salt bath and then get it wrapped up and hopefully draw the sickness out. Enjoy your 10-minute soak, lady. Clover, are you enjoying your pepper? You're almost done. We brought Moose in here too because she's got something wrong with her feet. I've never seen this before. We treated them all for mites just a few days ago, so hopefully that will solve it, but we went ahead and gave her a soak also and put some more ivermectin on it. I messaged a friend asking her what she possibly thought was going on. She's walking around normal and stuff. It doesn't seem to bother her, but we definitely don't want her poor little feet to look like that. So we're trying to figure out what's going on with her and treating her also. So here is her foot. It actually looks like she had 2 cuts at one point. One of them looks like it's almost working its way out. And then we've got this one. We're gonna put some of this on it and then it should draw out and make those scabs just fall off and hopefully she'll heal up. We've got the Prid on it now. I'm gonna put a gauze on it and wrap it up. We've got it all wrapped up now. All right, sister. We'll see you again tomorrow. Moose is on her way now. All right. got her down. She seems to be doing all right. Everyone's interested in the foot wrap, but hopefully they'll get bored with it pretty soon. I just got home from swimming and Wayne already did all the chores. So now we're just gonna tell the girls goodnight. Good night, Ember. You don't want it? All right. Good night, Dove. Good night, Harlow. Good night, Atley. Good night, Bridget. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.